Hi guys, I'm Nora. I'm Japanese and live in the UK. This is the fourth video I have introduced this soup base. I have introduced 5 dishes in total, including the basic usage spaghetti, oyakodon, and chicken dishes. This video introduces a very simple dish that Japanese people love. This is all you need to prepare. Please look, the egg has a wing. This is common in the UK. This is one of the things that surprised me when I came to this country. Make boiled eggs. Mince the garlic. If you have garlic press, you can crush with it. Oh my god! It seems that the egg was cracked. I can't help it, so I'll continue as it is. Stir occasionally so that the yolks are not biased. After the water has boiled, set the timer. Immediately chill with the cold water. This makes it easier to peel. Put garlic and soup base in a container. Add the peeled eggs. Add water to make a thick soup. Please adjust the amount of water to keep it in the refrigerator for at least a day. What's going on with the eggs? This remaining soup was used to season the baked salmon. Served as a dish for today's dinner. The taste was soaked and it was very delicious. I made it again another day. It was even more delicious. Thank you for watching until the end. If you have any Japanese seasoning that you would want how to use, please let me know in the comments. And please like and subscribe to this channel. Have a lovely day. See you next time.